I think this works. I don't know why. Yep, let's keep on trucking on. Do I think that we should? Yeah, we can actually, let's do something like down here. I think, yeah, that works. Let's open up. It's 30. I don't know a good place for this though. Wait, that doesn't work. Oh. Ugh. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yep. I'm not sure. I think my voice is smidge. Grounded saw blades. Hole in center. Set is 0, 0, so we can just drag in our spawn point, and we can set it to be 0. That's too far back. Like that, maybe. Like that. Yeah. No. No, they are not symmetrical at all, though. That's better. Oh, then we have like some fucking thing. Bottom left. Bottom right, you're gone. Then we sort of just take this one, move it into right moving gang platform. This one. Correct. Yes. That's good. Then we take you going to left moving platform and That's good. One more down, like 15 more to go. Hole in center, then we have pit and spikes. Pit and spikes, which is very similar to hole in center. But hole in center is... yeah, these are all simple spawn points. We can drag this in here. Set 0. Boom. Word space. Yeah, so we might not want to do this actually. This might be a bad idea. While what we actually want to do maybe is just move the particles up and the smoke. Maybe that's what we want to do, but we keep the Z on 0. Let's try that for this map. We'll notice very quickly if there's any problems with this. Smoke, please get out of here. Pit and spikes, zombie panic. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. Yeah, this one is simple. Yeah, I am confused, but yeah, it doesn't matter. Good, 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 good. Oh, you think I haven't given a title to the stream? I guess you should have a thumbnail, but I don't have a thumbnail, so let's just pick a random. Let's pick a random image. You, it's done. It's done. Works. Yeah, I can afford to turn up the music. Over here. Yeah. Now we keep going. Now we keep going. Man, this level looks kind of fucked. I think this level is a copy of the original map, but in this harbor theme. It's an interesting fact. An interesting factoid. Another interesting factoid is that we are losing Steam wishlists, and meaning we're losing money, potential money, every day that we don't finish the game right now. So like every day I lose, say, like at least 10 monies, 10 shekels. So the faster I can finish this game, the more money I will get. And the more money I get, that means I can buy more cars, I can buy a bigger house, I can buy stuff, I can buy like stuff, a bunch of stuff, big stuff. Huge stuff. Last one. That was the last one. Oh, let's go. Ooh, and this one we can fix. Epic. Yeah. And then we have two more. I think we should put those two. Let's put. Let's remove this comment in the name. Let's go. We have done the first level, which is probably the hardest level. This one is going to be much easier. 0, 0, all zeros. Right? Yeah. All zeros. No. Why are you not flat? And how bad does this look? It works. Let's do that. Let's go into there, let's do that, let's do that, and then do that. Ooh. Ooh. Get the fuck out of here. Please. Stop lagging. Close enough. No. Why did we place these stones here? Why did I place those stones there? I think I made this map. I made this map though, and it's ugly as fuck. Should I just remove this map? I think maybe. Can this map be saved? Because right now this map is not fun to play. Maybe I just scrap this entire map. Yeah, fuck this map. Fuck this map. Which one was? Yeah, fuck this map. It was a fun idea, but it didn't work out. Sorry, I have to make it like this, but you're gonna have to die. I'm divorcing you and I'm taking everything. Bye bye. Next one. We got the popcorn up in here. We got the spawn points up in here. Hole in center forests. That's crazy. That's crazy. All zeros. Drag in the new spawn point prefab. Set 0 to 0. 0 to 0. Do that. Look at this. Drag it over and say fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, this looks horrible. Drag you a bit. That feels better in the soul. Make sure this doesn't clip. kind of does. Let's drag you a bit more. Yeah, that's better. Move you down a scooch. Hole in center, jump pad Evan. 0, 0, 0, 0. Fuck, fuck. Spawn points. Every day I don't finish this game is one day I become one day older and one day closer to death. Every day I don't finish this game I become one day older and one day closer to death. Boom, boom. Wow, 0, 1. Drag you up. Adjust. Good. Oh my god, this is so much fun. Jump pad heaven. I'm having so much fun. Just doing the hard work. Moving all the spawn points. Yeah, this level is actually 18 plus because of the axe into the skeleton. This map is 18 plus. I think the album is finished. I'm gonna finish with it though. I shouldn't do this sober. I should do this drunk as fuck. I should be doing this while I'm driving. Okay, 4 more to go. Let's get our lead on. Let's get our lead on. Spawn point. Good. And let's make sure that none of these clip. I don't think they look good. Good. 2 bits. And you can guess what this map looks like. 2 bits. 2 bits in a pod. 2 pies in a pit. Spawn pit. Spawn pit. Spawn pit. Good. Very good, very good, very good. Done. And let's make sure none of these clip. It look good though, it look good though. I think. Does this not look good? This one clips. This one also clips. Okay, they should all move up just a smidge. Maybe they should all go like that. Let's try this. Then we can just copy paste these two, and we can line left one and the right one will be automatically aligned because I said so. Yeah. Alright, let's check the smokes. Yeah, they look good, they look good. Good, very nice, very nice. The last one, let's go. This one we can with this fucking box. We can call this like center box connections. And then we can scale this down a smidge. Like that, maybe a bit more, I think. Yes, that looks good. And then we do the particles spawn pointer. La spawn pointer. El spawn point. 0. Yeah, it looked good. Perfect. Let's move this over to the left. Let's drag it down. And let's place this one on the other side. And then copy paste these two. good. Alright, that's all the maps. Oh my god. Now I think we should just play a bit and see how it looks. And we want it because I have turned on instant win over here. Let's turn that off. Let's turn off. Yeah, let's turn off this part. I don't want a legendary item in here. I don't want to generate draft runs or event runs, so fuck you. We can close this. Once again, I have this Unity problem where if I try to recompile, it doesn't listen to me. It doesn't notice any changes, I guess. So I have to close the program and reopen it. I think the best part about being a hobby game developer is the feeling of never being done, always worrying about how the game will look and feel, always worrying about what if I don't finish, all that stuff. Not having enough energy is also, that's a perk. Yeah, I don't know, it's very fun making games as you're on your free time. It's also very easy to make games, obviously. As we all know, making games is like one of the easiest things you can do. You can just ask a chatbot to generate a game, and you get this. For example, this is one prompt. I just inputted one prompt into Cloud Code, and I got this game. So I'm pretty happy. Took like 5 minutes, no errors, and it even made a Steam page and yeah, everything. So I'm very happy with this. Yeah, it even made sound. It's crazy. It even made sound. killed the wrong player. Oops. Yeah. Okay, so one player just flew off the map. I'm not sure which one. This one? No, he's over here. What are you doing? What are you doing over here? Get over here. No? Can you not? Can we do this then? Maybe? No. No, you just have to die out of bounds, I guess. Oh, we can't get the spawn health point because we moved. Yeah, okay. Fuck! I have to work. I have to think. Ugh. Let's see. Which map is this? This is Hole in Center Harbor. Done. Let's keep going. So now the red player should die. Automatically. Yep. Yeah, this one looks good. Yeah. This one looks good. Let's make sure. Yeah, this works. Damn, we really need a sound effect for this. No. Huh. Ah, that's better. Ouch. Get in the hole. Oh, fuck, I have to kill this one. I have to kill this one first. No, 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 no. Fuck. Yeah, green player wins. And we get this beautiful cutscene that we're making. It's not finished. Whoa, and then the lights turn on. Oh my god. And the winners are presented. And the winner is Ulf. Wow. Then you should be able to run around. There should be like confetti coming from above, and some achievements or like accolades coming, scrolling at the bottom like a game show. Yeah. So we're working on that. So we got to see a bunch of levels. We got to see mountain levels and harbor levels. That should be good enough to push at least. Let's go into whatever this map was. Hole in Center. And there is 3 different Hole in Centers. This one. And this one, we moved the spawn points somewhere here, I think. Yes, we did. We don't want to do that. Whatever. I think that's good enough. And this one was fogged up, so let's not have this one in here. Yeah. 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 Yap, 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 yap. Yappity, yappity, scoopity, doopity. Let's be. Somewhere like this, yeah. Then we can do this one the same way, somewhere like over here. Good. Then I want to see everyone playing at the same time. That's good though, that's good. What? What? Oh my god. Whatever, whatever, bro. All right. All right. All right. We're gonna commit this. We're gonna push. This is gonna be a huge push. Huge. It's gonna be like giving birth to a whole new mechanic. Let's see. Go into this again. But let's kill this. So, this part is for debug, and then we want this, and we want that. Yeah, definitely. No, we don't want that. We don't want that. Windscreen system. We definitely want this. That and this and like that and like this. Yeah, sure. Asgard, yes. All the levels are going to be modified, I think. Spawn point prefab, Windiggery, and the main scene. Cool. You know what I want to look up? I want to look up Game Show Awards. No, no, not the game show, not the Game Awards. I want to look up like Japanese game show. And I want to look up like winning, like winners ceremony. I want to see how they do it. Okay, that's not. I don't know. Winning ceremony. How do you spell ceremonies? I don't think I'm gonna find what I'm looking for. Actually, let's look up like Korean game show full episode.
The time has come. You know it! 20 men and women from across Australia are about to compete in the most outrageous obstacle course this country's ever seen.
Yeah, this is peak.
Those tough enough will endure breathtaking spills, spectacular tumbles, and incredible falls. Only the fastest and strongest four will survive and take a shot at $20,000. But to claim the cash and achieve ultimate glory, they'll have to overcome the biggest obstacle of their lives, the wipeout zone, the final step to $20,000. The epic competition begins right now. This is Wipeout Australia. Oh, bring it on! Hello everyone and welcome to the very first edition of Wipeout Australia. I'm James Brayshaw. Joining me every week here in the commentary position will be Josh Lawson.
Thanks, James. Today, 20 ordinary Aussie men and women will attempt to overcome the biggest, toughest and most ridiculous obstacle course ever.
What was the point of this? Why did I look up game shows? Yeah, I think I remember. Yeah, right. There was a reason for looking at Wipeout. We are adding another windscreen or a new windscreen, like over here, like this. We're gonna do something like this. Can I like remove stuff? Yeah. So we have the lightning. We don't have these halos. We want some lightning halos coming down, and I think we're only gonna do this for the winner. It's my thinking. So we're gonna have these halos coming down, and then we're gonna have. Previously, we had these badges or accolades down here with the title and the text. Now we're gonna have them here, scrolling, like from the left to the right, like faithful player 0 or whoever. Michael had faith to Odin with 70% items coming from Odin or something. Scrolling down here, and I was thinking maybe Wipeout did something similar.
And at the end of the day, the last man or woman standing, one shot to grab 20 grand. That is... Oh, no! Straight over the top!
It's too much and too late, which means the Hulk Jack Anslow has won the $20,000.
Congratulations!
Boy's staring down the barrels. What is he doing?
Wow, this is one really confused fella.
Very unorthodox tactics, Josh. Almost a stalemate developing here. And at last, Jared makes his way up the ramp to confront the barrels head on.
Oh! Head on indeed.
The pony boy, Jared Greenfield, now traversing our very grueling water wall.
Okay, the pony boy now making progress across that wall towards the spinner. James, I think this is where some of that cowboy ballet to the wall once again.
That is bizarre. He was nowhere near the landing. All right, he's safely on again. Have a look at the pony boy.
Let's try this again.
Look at the eyes on him. They're everywhere. He lands safely.
Held on, just held on by the skin of his teeth.
But time is getting away from pony boy Jared Greenfield. He's getting revved up for a run across the rolling log.
Keep them doggies rolling. Nope, he's in. Kelly Landry now down with the Hulk, Jack Anslow, who is anxiously awaiting his fate.
I'm getting very excited now because time is getting by.
Pony boy Greenfield back again. Right now, he's just 2 launch pads away from the finish.
Liters of water, it's like Christmas. And at last, the water boy right onto the
Is on the outside of the wetsuit.
Let's hope and pray he doesn't hulk up and shred them sluggos.
And the Speedos make their way towards the wall.
Now, this may not be so easy for the big fella.
It's a very narrow ledge for such a big unit.
All right, the Hulk in the drink with a climb ahead of him.
Don't make him soggy. You wouldn't like him soggy.
Pretty tired.
And the Hulk hits the landing.
Our big green giant wreaking.
Push myself pretty much to the
Keep going.
No.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm not gonna find what I'm looking for, just scrolling over different game shows. I guess we can just start mocking something up in the UI for this. Down here, a windscreen related, we can create a image, I think, yeah. An image called accolade. Below, we should call this background. Something like that, and we can give this darkish color. We can move it. Now he snaps. Weird ass. Okay. Bring it up a bit. A bit more. Something like that. And we drag it over. Something like that. Yes. Now we can put this here. Let's think. We can use horizontal layout group directly inside here, and we can create a empty thing. Let's call it accolade. So now this component is pretty neat. This horizontal layout group. So if I create another accolade. Maybe it comes over here. Yeah, no, it's fucked up. We need something on this. We need an image. Yeah. And of course I can't position this element because reasons. Its position is determined by its layouts group, which it finds over here. And then we can do this like middle center. No, middle left, yeah. And we want some spacing. That is not spacing. Padding, yeah, padding from the left. 32 sounds good. And we also want some padding on the right. So now if I create another one, it ends up over there, which is weird. Is this what we want? No. No, no, no. What do we want? I'm not sure. Actually, I know what we want. I know exactly what we want. I'm trying to see if I can disable the... Oh my god. This shouldn't be hidden so deep. I'm trying to find if I can hide the skybox, whatever. So we have this element and we can remove. So that's just the background. We're going to scroll a empty element. Like so. And this one is going to have the horizontal layout group. And middle center. Yeah, but you should be the width of your parent. And that's always true. So let's stretch you out. There we go. Height doesn't matter. Now we can do lower, no, middle left. Yeah, with a little padding. Yes. Oh, that's good. Good. And we scroll this one. Oh, that's so good. what happens if I create a text element here? Okay. Good. We got our acolyte here. Let's make him brown. For now, we're gonna do something with this eventually, but for now I just need something, and I need something called what do you return to me, young man? You return an accolade with a title and a description. Okay. So let's do like shield here. I think I don't. Oh, this is horrible. Oh. But I wonder where we actually load like a shield. Where do we somewhere in Score table system we should score count. Yeah, emblem, texture, emblem, no text, graphics dictionary, identifier. Ragnar shield mat. Okay. What? Oh, I'm gonna kill someone. Fuck you. That's much better. Yo, let's go. Large text. That's much worse. I don't think we use this anymore. anywhere because we have custom tags. So we don't use these ones either. Okay. Thank you, kinda. Thank you, kinda. Welcome back to the. No, I didn't keep it. Should we do? Let's do shield and let's do the tag on the player for now. Yeah, this doesn't matter at all right now. So why am I spending time on it? So, then we have the title of the Acolyte. And doesn't matter again right now. We're going to change all of this, but let's pick something. Let's find Razor is one title we have. And Razor has a description. Like so. This description is most distance traveled. Like so. That's one accolade. And then this will just repeat. Wow, it's super tiny, right? Yeah, it's tiny as fuck. We can make this a lot bigger. This is a common issue I have when designing. I make things very, very small to compensate for my very, very tiny penis. Actually, that's why I make stuff very small. So yeah, that's an issue I need to work on. No, but I should increase the size of everything. Just like this one up. Scale this bitch up as well. Come on. Huh. Okay. Okay. I guess we should just go ahead and delete all of these. Let's create this into a prefab. So we have it. And this prefab we should put into never mind, let's just put it into the prefabs folder. But first I want to create a new script called like Accolade UI. This one needs tag text. We also need type text, and we need the description text. And since we won't use anything else, we can just put this as is. We need the right image of the shield. should we call this function? Assign accolade player. Yeah, that's what it does. It takes in a accolade and a player spits out nothing. So we can do some simple stuff. We can set tag.text, but tag is already a inherited member from mono behavior. Hides inherited member is a new keyword. If hiding, no, we don't want to override this, so we can. For this one, we should use text then to signify that. Tag text is another thing than tag. So this one is something I don't know. Tag. Oh my god. What? This is so confusing, like who who updates the text and stuff in the inventory box display? No? Draft inventory box. Navigational inventory box. Navigational inherits from draft inventory box. And draft inventory box inherits from no one. Oh god. Yeah, it's just profile data.tag. So all of that digging for just profile. Please tag. There we go. And the shield.texture will be texture singleton graphics dictionary. Key will be player.identity .name. And then we have emblem no text texture. There we go. And the title.text will be accolade.title. And description.text will be accolade.description. That's so awesome. So good. Okay, over here we are going to take a prefab accolade UI prefab. That's the one we're going to spawn. I think we also want a handle to the image, the accolade background. Accolade background, yeah. So I want to fill it in. So on transition down here. Blah 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 here. After we spawn the confetti, we and wait some. This is a big procedure we're doing for the win screen. We can wait like 2 seconds. 1, 2. Let's do 1 second. Fuck. That's good. So while accolade background, fuck you, accolade background. It's not equal to accolade background hard color. Accolade background hard color will just be a move towards that color. Should do this because we're doing lerping for everything else. We should do a. We shouldn't do whatever we just did for. Step forward and accolade background. What color will be? Color.learn. Clear to targets. There we go. Yeah. We also need the scroll route. Accolade scroll route. So it's let's think here. We probably want a variable, a private variable called scroll accolades, I guess. And then do we have some sort of update on this system? No. We can add that then. Public override on update. Oops. Mangled deformed code. There we go. If accolade scroll. If scroll accolades, then accolades scroll route dot this is a rect transform. So we should do this as a rect transform. whatever its current X position is, we want to how do we move the pre-round system stuff? Because here I think we just move position. So maybe we can do the same here. Maybe. Minus something times time the time. And action. Yeah, accolades grow. Accolade scroll roots dot position is equal to new position, and negative it means lift. So down here we can do something for testing this. Let's spawn in 25 accolades. Parent will be the scroll root. No rotation. Position doesn't matter here. Parent though matters. Accolades, scroll roots. Yeah, it just accepts rect transform as a transform, probably. Yeah, because it inherits from transform. It's good. Very good, very good. Okay, so we spawn 25 and then we set scroll accolades to true. Yeah, and we need to make sure this scroll is positioned just outside of the screen to begin with. And this one should be defaulted to false. Cool, let's try this out. Nej, gå ner. Oh shit. Oh, I'm realizing how much work this is gonna be to assign everything. I am going to take a break. It's been 2 hours. 2 hours of non-stop work. Yeah. Alright. I'm pretty happy with what has gone down. We fixed, or I fixed. You didn't. No one else did shit. We did the spawn points. Spawn points prefab replacement. Prefab replacement. We have started on accolades in the windscreen. And I can probably finish this up today. Or at least something today. And after that we need to investigate why the confetti for the winner isn't working. What else is left in the windscreen? Yeah, the halo. Halo shine. What else? We need some way to get back to the menu from the windscreen. Get back to menu. Cool. Alright, let's end this here.